Welcome to SQL Reporting Service video number 43, and in this video we are going to look at the matrix types of reports in SSRS. So the first question is, what is a matrix reports in SSRS? As far as you remember, what we have saw so far in SSRS is the table based reports. Then what is the matrix based report? Okay, matrix based report is something like where you can see data in a more meaningful pattern. Example, what we are looking in here is on the right hand side, the dudes which are in green, they are the employees of the company. Okay, and on the left hand side, what you see, the dudes which are in purple, they are the products. And the count what you seeing in between is how many sales they have made over the time. So this is what you're seeing. If I ask you to do the same thing in let's say a tabular report, so you will do something like this. You will write some sort of query like this for me, and you see like there's an employee called as Andrew who sold Alice mutton over the period of time, blah blah blah, and he made so much of sale, right? But this is not good enough, because if I take this thing down to the Excel, so it will appear same as what you're seeing in this SQL. Then I need to do is filter, auto filter, then I do Andrew, then I will select Andrew and I'll see how many products he has sold. The count what I'm seeing over here is like so it is not that helping me. And over here, if I choose the Andrew, at the bottom what you're seeing is like 178 or something. I'm not sure what you're seeing. 172. Let me take out the filter first. Data, filter out, and let's see. You're getting some count in here, and let's see what I'm getting here. I'm getting 178, the exact count, right? So this is good. So just by doing some plus and minus, some dragging, dropping, this all gets done for you. All you need to write is a query. So so basically now you know what is the matrix report. And now the question is, why do you need it? Because sometimes data is so complex and it is so difficult to compare. Like I'm giving you something in Excel, you have to do a lot of filtration, you need to apply some rules, math and all, which is not required in here. So it becomes very easy and very meaningful in here, right? So is it too difficult to do it? Not at all. It's very simple. So let's check out how. So let's go to the design, and I'll be deleting this complete thing. Okay, so this is out. Okay, now what I have is the basically two things. I have the queries, okay, and I got a data source. So this data source is pointing to this guy, and this guy actually points to my SQL connection. So basically when I'm working with reports, I actually have a connection to my database. Next thing is my query, the way I am preparing my query. So what I have done in this query is I just took 4 tables which contains all the details of products, when they are sold, it was sold by whom, and what was the quantity what they sold, right? That's what is my interest. And basically dragging these 4 tables, Visual Studio is a smart guy. He maps the relationships automatically for you, so you don't need to worry about that, right? So this is done. At the bottom you seeing the records, right? Hit OK, all good. So now mostly what we do is I drag the table, but this time we're going to drag a matrix. Alright, so if you look at the matrix, it tells you, alright, I got something. I got one thing as a row, one thing as a column. So you say, okay, I want to see all the employees into the columns and all the products into the rows, and I would like to know how much each of them has sold, the quantities that will go in here, right? So this is good. So now once this is done, let's do some formatting, right? Escape, hit F4. Let's apply some girly color to this guy. You're going to apply the same for the employee. So employee would be, I don't know, and the product name would be something lightish, so it has to be Colors are so difficult to pick, you know, and in the end we'll go by preview. There you go. And this is so done, right? One second, let me make this thing as little bitty nice, and we have the better presentation now. Okay, you stay right here. So as you can see, like, who's doing what, right? So this is the SQL reporting service matrix report, and it is so easy to configure. Besides this, in the next video I'll show you more on this, like, what more things you can do on this and how easy it is for you. So this, within this one report, you can easily see how many products are sold by whom and what is the performance and how they are good doing. All right. So in that, these are the cases where you can use the SQL reporting service. So thank you for watching this video, and if this video helps you in some way, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And thank you for watching this. Good night and take care.